Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Mercedes-Benz X250D from 2018. As you can see, Sweden is a bit of a winter wonderland at the moment. Definitely time to get your winter boots out, so I thought we'd take this one for a spin. This is definitely made for working, and also it's going to handle the Swedish winter with no problem. So let's jump inside this bad boy. Straight away, if we look at the dash, as a matter of fact, let's turn that heater down so you can hear what I'm saying. Right, if we look at the instrument panel there, we can see that it's all into the 2020s. If we look at the screen over here, it's a typical Mercedes from the 2018s kind of setup there. The newer ones now have that kind of widescreen thing going on over here, but this one has the traditional Mercedes setup. One thing that's not too traditional with the Mercedes, the new one, is a conventional automatic box down there. Look, you're actually going to have to reach down with your right hand and change gear if you want to do that. All the usual Mercedes controls in here. That's quite nice on the back mirror there with the compass. Up here, lights and everything else. Plenty of room in the back there, plenty of headroom. This is a big old unit. This car can be driven in 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive. You decide that. We're going to keep it in 4-wheel drive for today because it's the winter time here in Sweden. This comes with the winter package and the power package as well. That's very important. So the car comes with keyless go. It also has navigation, if I can find it in here. Let's have a look, see if I can find it back. And also this 360 camera. This is really nice. It gives you a real good view of when you're backing up and everything else. And look how clear that screen is as well. That is really, really clear. And that's the 360 shot from above. Now that's really nice when you need to reverse. Now, it's a good thing that this car comes with that 360-degree camera, because looking behind you, as you can see here, there's not much going on out there. So that camera there comes in really handy. If we look in the center console here, we can see there's a cup holder there. A little place here, you can put a cup there, I'm guessing, as well, and your little bits and pieces. Also, it's got this little hatch here. If we look deep in there, we'll see that there's a USB connectivity, 2 of them I can see, and also a 12-volt outlet there, down there as well. So now if we take a look at the back here, this is a really smart design here, because the whole back can come off. As you know, it turns itself into a pickup, or when you've got this on, you can still get into the back here from both sides here. They've got nice little latches at the back and at the side as well, which makes things nice and easy. And if we look outside here as well, the car comes with 19-inch Mercedes alloy rims. It's fully leather seats, stitched leather, really nice and robust in here. It's got this kind of fake carbon type dash here, and don't forget this is a working vehicle, so you know but it's a nice cross. If you feel here, it's nice leather here, nice soft leather here on the dash here. Yeah, for a working vehicle, this is a really nice place. Good ground clearance it's got as well. Plus, also, if you look here, we've got side skirts going all the way around at the sides, of course. Also, you got like toe at the back. What do you call that? Tow bar at the back, yeah. Alright, okay, let's take this boy down the road. Alright, do some winter trucking. Alright, seatbelt on. Right, adjust the seat in here. Nice adjust, you can adjust everything on this seat. So it's nice, you're gonna get yourself nice and comfortable. Traditional gearbox, snowy road. Right, let's see what we got. Oh, alright, I'm not sure whether we've got it in two-wheel drive. I think we've got it in two-wheel drive at the moment, so let's give it some full-wheel action, shall we? Alright. And so you can have that 360-degree camera on all the time as well, so that's quite handy as well. So if you're making any kind of manoeuvres, whether it's forward or backwards, it's got you covered there. Right, we're going to leave that on actually. Right, let's take it back out of that four-wheel drive mode and let's take a little spin down the road. So 2021, wow. 2020 was a hard one. We're into 2021 now. This is the second week here in Sweden now, 2021. But we're all hoping for a better year. Right, I think I've got it in some kind of manual mode at the moment, so let's push it over to the right. That puts it into drive, and now we'll let the car do all the work. Well, this model here actually it's in really good nick as well, so it really hasn't been put to work yet. It's got low miles as well, and right now it's pretty smooth. And there's nothing that says that you're in a working vehicle at the moment, so we'll just poodle along and see how far we get. So if you've never been to Sweden in the winter time, then well, obviously not this year, maybe not this winter, but yeah, when the sun's out like it is today and snow on the ground, it's a really beautiful place. So on the whole, I'd say loads of comfort, practicality, yeah, it's maxed out on that. And if you're in the market for something like this, then well, this one's up for sale. So as usual, the information to the sale is in the description here. If you look down on the page there, and go get yourself a truck. Right, I'm just going to crawl this thing back. So listen, as usual, thanks for checking out the channel. 2021, hopefully we're going to have loads more interesting stuff for you guys. Working really hard behind the scenes to make things happen. Times are very difficult now, so we're going to try and stick to the schedule of getting one show out a week. If we do fail, well, that's because basically, yeah, everything is stacked up against us at the beginning of this year. Right, so like as usual, thanks for watching. Tune in next week. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We're creeping up to that magical 1,000 subscriber mark, so yeah, we're pushing. So until next time, we'll see you all then. Bye bye.